Charlie. Hi, how are you? Charlie on the prowl. Anybody that wants to wrestle me, I'm willing to pay. I don't know much German. I know what bon suavi means. That means alert, especially the Floyd concert. I got arrested. All these shirts for the last 4 hours, I've been scrubbing out piss and shit. No, I used pipe dope and I piped it, and I did the right thing. You'll have to wait.
In today's episode, Charlie cleans up his shirts and gets into some questions.
Slowly but surely, I'm getting things done. Hopefully.
Get it done.
I just got skunked. Double skunked, actually. I'm putting that in my wrestling match, too, with Gretchen and Tamara. They're going to say, oh, you got double skunked again. That's older than you. You weren't even born in 89. You skunk it all out. I got skunked.
Oh, yeah.
I got skunked. I got hit by a skunk. I kicked him in the head and he skunked me. It's like in cribbage. I got double skunked. So what I'm doing here is these shirts, the nostalgia shirts. They cost $80 to go to a concert today. Now I bought them for $45.
We got the Colonial shirts, mandatory, of course.
All these shirts here, all nostalgia shirts. You can't buy these shirts. These shirts they're brand new. They're maybe 30 years old, but they're brand new. I haven't worn them.
Charlie, did you all get hit by the skunk? Or
No.
You just doing, when you do one, you do all of them?
No, I'm going to tell you what happened.
Okay.
The guy downstairs used plastic ties to tie the pipes under the bungalow. What do you think happened?
It burst?
No. It leaked. All these shirts for the last 4 hours, I've been scrubbing out piss and shit out of the shirts. I had to spend $14 of Woolite, 7 cycles, and it all came out brown. Every time it came out brown. It could be still brown right now. But what I'm doing is, I'm getting my act together. And I'm spraying these shirts down so they don't have an odor to them. And I can imagine what type of odor. You can surmise what it is. It's not fun.
No, not fun at all.
So.
Are these like the prize shirts, Charlie? These are the more important ones, or?
Nah, that was the Who, 25 at Gillette. Went to that show. That was the loudest concert they had.
Ever?
That was the loudest concert they had. I'm so upset at the residents around Foxborough. Who in the right mind would not want to listen to the Who playing in your backyard?
It's like heaven on earth, really.
They called the police, and they had to turn the decibels down in the concert. So after that concert, they have a meter on every other concert. So if it goes over a certain amount of decibels, they have to either turn the decibels down or they get knocked out. Stupid. So,
Stupid indeed.
I don't know. A lot of people like to complain and call and do things like that to upset other people. I don't understand. It's just trying to do the right thing. So I had these tubs here.
You washing them in the tubs, or?
Oh, it was all black, gross,
In here?
piss, shit, everything else in there. 5 cycles and it still came out brown. I'm in there going like this, going like that, going like this, going like that. Out, you fill it, out, you fill it. It's now, what, 2 o'clock in the afternoon? I started this at 9 in the morning, really? Do I get paid 5 hours to wash my own shirts?
Nope.
Nope. Who has to pay for the Woolite? Me.
Charlie.
It's not cheap.
No, sir.
Little thing like this. right?
Mm-hmm.
$5.69. Two of them.
I would send the guy the bill. I think you're right to send the guy the bill.
I don't know. Try to do the right thing. Had corn on the cob, porterhouse steak, cooked them a dynamite meal. Always a gourmet cook. Do it right. And this is what I get back. Right here. See that? That's brain salad surgery right there. Look at that shirt. It's got coffee all over it. It ain't gonna come out.
Wow.
Yeah. You missed a lot of good concerts.
You did or I did?
You did.
Yeah. Born too late.
You're born too late. Especially the Floyd concert. I got arrested.
You got arrested. What did you do at the Floyd concert there, Charlie?
Oh, my Bob. You know, Bob. This guy knows everything. He's driving down. I'm like, park in Gillette. It's $50 to park there. Do anything you want. Park there. No. He wants to park at the China Jade across the street. Girl, the big bosoms and everything. Woo! Pull right in. You think we can drink and smoke here? Oh, they've been doing it all afternoon. Come on in. Cop.
No.
Guy pulls up with a pot leaf hat. Everything on the car. Luckily, the bail bondsman there's only two in the state. He happened to be there. And I got in, I got right out. I missed the first song
That's not too bad then.
for the Floyd show.
Could have been a lot worse.
I missed the first song. So, and the judge didn't like me either. He was an Irishman, St. Cyr. He didn't like hippies and people doing drugs. And when we got caught for the possession of Class D, he nailed me good.
What did you get for that?
Well, my ex-wife fueled the flame by having a restraining order on me, so obviously. Oh, he's got that? Oh, okay, we'll give him another fine. I had to go back to court. Bob only went once, I had to go back twice. I had to pay another fine.
So you didn't go to jail.
No, it was continued. It was described as a criminal wrong, or what's it called, a query or something like that. It was continued without a finding.
Well, that's good.
Yeah. Mentally wise, it was just, it's horrible. It's like crying, just crying. Because, you look at what you went through, and you know what you saw, and you could record. Some of them I did record. I think I recorded. Keep the odor from getting into the shirts. But then again, what am I going to do with the shirts after I clean them? Is he going to do it again? I don't know.
What if you keep them away from the pipes?
No, I used pipe dope, and I piped it, and I did the right thing.
Oh, okay.
And I glued it.
But it was the guy downstairs who did the wrong thing. You did the right thing, right? Or...
Well, he's up to OSHA standards, that's for sure. So,
Government strikes again.
admit me. So, I'm hoping and praying I might get a rainstorm. I'm hoping, like with your boat and your car, if it rains, it'll kind of wash the remaining gook or whatever it is on my shirt off.
That'd be nice.
It's a gamble. I didn't want to do it on a blue sunny day because the sun kills the shirt and it dries it out. So I had to wait until I got a humid day, half sun, half cloud, something like that. And maybe something like that. All right. Problem, I gotta clean that wall and repaint the wood. It caused a lot of damage. He asked me to wash it in this thing here.
The shirts?
Yeah, look at that.
All of them?
That's what he told me. That's what my father told me. He goes, oh, wash them in here. Would you wash your shirt in that?
No, I don't
No.
think so. I don't think so.
Nobody would. Terrorist attack.
Right there, Charlie. It's wait in line and wait next to the shirts, Charlie. The terrorist attack.
So, you know, I had to give up my day, not going to Medford, not seeing Turk. I had to do this.
Now watch out, Charlie. You drop socks.
I had to do this instead.
Charlie, watch out.
It's nothing like spending hard-earned money.
On clothes.
It'll be all right. It'll be all right.
We'll make it.
Send them the bill. Shouldn't be destroying nostalgia shirts. This is impossible to replace.
Well, watch out. You're gonna drop a sock like that.
We don't care about the sock. We care about the shirt. We don't care.
That's good. You can buy another sock. You can't buy this.
You can't buy that.
Robert
Robert Plant, Strange Sensation.
Ah.
I had front row.
Yeah, you can't recreate that.
Nope.
No, sir.
So, this show, it didn't come out that well because I was on mono. Back then, they only had Walkmans. They didn't have cell phones. I recorded the Razor's Edge at the Worcester Centrum. Razor's Edge show, see? Razor's Edge. Thunderstruck. You hear it at every football game.
Yeah.
Every football game gets that song played. So,
Oh, Charlie, I got some questions for you.
yeah.
Get the-
Ask me any type of question. I got a lot of answers. Washing my shirts, getting my clothes clean, looking presentable, cleaning up around here instead of Sanford and Son around here. You know,
Make it into Tookie.
making it tookie, baby. Making it tookie. Just give me some time. Over here now. It's starting to get better.
Oh, yeah, this looks better.
So look at this here. See, they got some herbs growing there, and those are coming up. And I got Japanese stuff. I can't unless Tamara can read it. I can't. I don't understand.
What is it?
I don't know what it is. It's Japanese herbs.
Oh, okay.
And I can't read Japanese until she comes. She can figure it out.
Yeah.
But anyways, yeah, I got all that coming up. And then over here, I got some kind of Japanese herbs. I don't know if they're gonna come up though. I got something like that there. And a couple, I don't know if it's weeds or not, but we'll see what happens. You're so cool.
It means, why are you so cool in German?
I don't know much German. I know what bon suavi means. That means alert, intruder.
Achtung!
Achtung.
Ausgezeichnet.
Yeah. Tinkelheimer Schmidt.
Wir